Meet Graphite. Data Viz unlocked. Graphite is the ultimate tool for mastering data visualization with the help of AI. This is Brian. He's fresh out of his university's data science program. Excited, also stressed. He's prepping for technical interviews, but there's a big problem. He can't find any resources to practice data visualization effectively. Software engineers have leak code for DSA, but data scientists? LeetCode and its competitors at best provide SQL sample problems. None of them have an environment for practicing on-the-spot data viz techniques. They're just straight up missing this functionality, and Graphite is here to change that. Graphite leverages generative AI to make data viz practice much more engaging. First, you can generate problems in data sets just by providing some keywords. Have a particular topic you're passionate about? Let's visualize it. Second, as you work through your problems, Graphite will give you iterative feedback and code suggestions to help you improve and boost your score. Let's watch Brian as he walks through the application for the first time. Brian first explores the homepage. He notices that his answers will be scored in 3 categories: clarity, accuracy, and depth. His attention is drawn to the green Generate button, and he clicks it to be met with a pop-up. This prompts him for keywords with which to generate a new data viz question and accompanying dataset. Brian listens to a lot of music, so he chooses that as his keyword. A new screen opens upon submission. He sees a coding environment, scoring gauges, and his newly generated question dataset combo. It looks like Brian will be exploring a relationship between album sales and streaming hours. He begins to program his initial solution to the problem and uses the code execution feature along the way to vet the looks of his visualization. Eventually, he's happy with the results, and he goes for his first submission. The model scores his attempt based on his provided code and the question it tries to answer about this particular dataset. Brian did pretty well. Hovering over the score gauges, he's able to see the reasoning behind why he scored a 3 in clarity, 5 in accuracy, and 4 in depth. Looks like he forgot to add labels for his axes, hurting his clarity score. So he goes ahead and fixes that. He resubmits. The model now compares his second solution to the last, taking into account his first round of feedback to see if he implemented any. The clarity score Brian was targeting has shot up to a 5, and he has enough points to pass. This second round of feedback provides code suggestions, and Brian wants to take his shot at the perfect score, so he implements the linear regression lines it advises under the depth category. He resubmits once more. This time he scores all 5s. Satisfied, he clicks the complete button and gives his problem a positive rating before being routed back to the homepage. He scrolls down to see the list of top generated questions and sees his right in the middle with a singular upvote. We evaluate Graphite based on how efficiently it teaches data viz to real users. People on average reduce their needed rounds of feedback by 1 within the first couple of attempts, indicating that Graphite is an effective data viz learning environment and GenAI app. Graphite. Data viz unlocked.